So hello guys, what's up, welcome back again in a new video. So guys, in this video we are gonna talk about a new mining website. This website is really great website and you can earn a lot of USDT by this website, and with withdrawal proof I am going to share with you in this video. So must watch this video till the end. So let's begin the video. So guys, this website link given in the description box. This website name is withdrawn.vip. So first of all you have to create your account in this website. So this is a very easy process. First of all, you have to put your email address. After that, you have to fill your password. Then transaction password. Must remember all these passwords because these passwords will help you to log in your account and withdraw your income. So now I create my account and we will talk about next. So guys, I had already an account, so I just log in my account. When we log in for first time, you can see this interface will come to front of you. You can see here are some welcome and some basic detail of website are given here, so you don't have to read this. Just close this, and when we click on mine option, you can see 50 USDT is my balance. It means 50 USDT you will get also as a sign up bonus. So this is really great, and you can also use these USDT to earn money. So how you will do this in this video I will tell you. Okay, so now I tell you how to earn money through this website. So here are two methods available. So first is investment and second is without investment. So both method I will tell you in this video, so watch this video till the end. So now I tell you how to earn money through investment. If you have USDT, if you have money you want to invest, you can invest here. So you can see this is the VIP, and you can see my current status is VIP1, and in VIP1 I will get daily 3 tasks, and per task I will get 0.3 USDT, and my daily profit will be 0.9 USDT. It means my monthly income will be 27 USDT. Okay, so here you don't need much USDT, very little investment you can do and you can earn money. Here you can see it's VIP2. For VIP2 you need 80 USDT. 50 USDT you have already in your account. You just have to recharge 30 USDT and your daily profit will be 4.2 USDT and your monthly income will be 126 USDT. It means for 30 USDT investment you will get 126 monthly income. Okay, so here are many VIP levels available. Up to VIP 10 you can invest according to your investment risk. Okay, I am not any financial advisor, I am just an investor. I am doing review about this website. I am not recommending anyone to do any recharge because this is your money, so you have to take decision about your money, where to invest and where to not invest. I am just share my opinion about this website. Okay, so now I tell you how to complete tasks. So this is also a very easy process. Just go to home option. Here you can see VIP level, so which level you are in. So you have to select. I am in VIP 1, so I just select this, and here I have to complete my 3 tasks. So this is very easy process. You can select any task and you can complete your task. Okay, so as you can see I completed 2 tasks and this is last task and it's also done. Okay, so 3 tasks has been completed. Now you can see my balance is 50.9 USDT. It's been 0.9 USDT I earned from this. So this is very easy. Okay, so now I tell you how to earn money through without investment. If you don't have USDT, don't worry, you can also earn money through this website. Just go to team option. Here you can see this is referral link. If you have a good network on social media like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, any social media you are using, you can share this link on that social media platform, and if anyone join through your link and they invest, you will get a good commission by this website. So you can also make a passive income source through this website. So yeah, you can use this also as a passive income source. Okay, and here you will earn up to 3 levels: team A, team B and team C. So this is great idea to earn money. Okay, so now I tell you how to withdraw your money after how you can withdraw your money. So this is also very easy. Just click on withdrawal option. Here you can see please add your withdrawal method. So you have to add your withdrawal method. Just click here, and here you have to USDT put your USDT TRC20 address. So I put there. So guys, I am using IM token crypto exchange. You can use any crypto exchange method which you have. This will also available on Play Store, so you can check there. You can see this is my USDT address, and I copy address and I have to put here address. Okay, so as you can see I paste my address here. Now put here transaction password, then click on submit, and you can see success. Now you can do withdrawal very easily. Just go back. Here you have to put your amount, then payment password, then select address. After that you have to click on submit, and you can see application will withdraw successful. Now I show you in my wallet. Right now you can see my balance is 33.68 USD, and within few seconds we will get our withdrawal. This is very fast withdrawal. Okay, so we have to wait for a few seconds and we will get our withdrawal immediately. So let's wait, and you can see my balance updated to 30.58 USD. It's mean I get my withdrawal. Okay, so this website is really great website and you can get your withdrawal within few seconds. So